I had a dream last night that Missy and I was driving in the car and we needed to stop and get gas. I went inside while Missy pulled the car to the pump. As I'm talking to the attendant, a great commotion happens outside, and two gas station attendants run out to see that Missy has backed the car into one of the pumps. The attendant shows me an empty Budweiser beer can and says, "She's drunk. You'll be paying for all the damages." All of a sudden, we are in my grandparents' old house, with our children sleeping on the couches covered in blankets, and Missy says, "I can't believe you left your beer cans in the car," as she's holding the Budweiser beer can. And I say, "I don't drink Budweiser. I only drink Miller in a bottle. That gas station is trying to screw us." So I go out to the car to drive back to the gas station to tell them that I only drink Miller in a bottle. And I discover that there is a bag of potato chips stapled to the driver's side seatbelt. So I'm prying off the staples, and it's leaving big holes in the seatbelt. And I say, "Missy, what the hell is this shit?" And Missy says, "It's so I don't lose my chips." And I yell back, "Well, it's fucking up the seatbelt. You need to stop doing this shit." Then all of a sudden we're driving on the road, which is chock full of potholes and fallen down tree limbs, and Missy confesses that she went out with the Woolley girls, and she was not drunk on Budweiser, but she was drunk on the red stuff. Then I awoke.